Hello, my community. And if you're all wondering, yes, that's the first time you can technically see my body in my videos. I'm just wearing a blue t-shirt and Christmas pajama pants. And you're all wondering, yes, it's not Christmas anymore, but yeah. So today, before I say anything else, I'm never doing a face reveal, okay? So if you're watching this, everybody, I'm never doing a face reveal. Never. No. So today, we're doing my Thomas Wood and Railway / Thomas Wood collection video. No, this isn't for anything special or anything. Just because I have 43 subscribers does not mean I'm doing a subscriber special today. In case if I do 50 subscribers, if I do get that high, I don't even know anymore. So yeah, let's get to the collection video. But if I'm just saying this, I'm not doing it how all those other Thomas Wood and Railway YouTubers do it. I'm showing off their collection. So yeah. So here we go. First we have, be right back, people. Okay, we're back, and first we have the 2022 Wood and Railway Thomas. Second, we have the Thomas Wood and Railway 2022 Rosie. Okay, next we have Thomas Wood and Railway 2022 RG Toby. So this is Toby with my initials. And this is probably the Toby that you've seen in some things. But it's going to be a surprise. But I don't know what I'm using for this Toby yet. So yeah. Then we have the Thomas Wood and Railway 2022 Toby with my initials not on it. See, look, this one does. This one doesn't. Okay. Then we have a 2003 Learning Curve Bash. And if you're all wondering, where's Bash's brother, Dash, and Ferdinand? But Ferdinand's technically not their brother. I sadly don't have those two, so let's go back to this. A wooden railway knockoff Duncan. Yes, it might have the name on the bottom, but it's technically a knockoff because the official does not have this small of a face, and usually some knockoffs don't have the name on the bottom. Thomas Wood and Railway 2022 Kevin. Thomas Wood Victor. 2011 Wood and Railway Percy. Thomas Wood Caitlin. Thomas Wood Merlin. A knockoff Wood and Railway Pink Rosie. Thomas Wood and Railway 2022 Percy. Thomas Wood and Railway 2022 Gordon. Thomas Wood and Railway 2022 Rebecca. A wooden train from IKEA. Thomas Wood and Railway 2022 Diesel. Thomas Wood and Railway 2022 Hero. And finally, Thomas Wood and Railway 2022 Edward. There's still a lot of Thomas Wood and Railway items I need to find from stores, thrift stores. Yeah. So my collection isn't like how all YouTubers are. So if you're one of my Discord friends or a friend from school, Tell me how many times I said Thomas Wooden Railway 2022. Okay? Bye.